Hey everyone! If you've been wondering about the best ways to make money online with your Sellvia store, this video is exactly what you need. Whether you've just launched or you've been running your store for a while, the question is actually the same. How do you actually bring people in and start turning clicks into customers? Today, I will walk you through the top 4 promotion methods that are working right now and how you can start using them without getting overwhelmed. Stay with me till the end because I've got something really special for you. Let's start with the fastest way to bring traffic to your store, and that is advertising. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Google are packed with potential buyers. You just need to get in front of them. And that's where Sellvia Ads comes in. It's an automated system that creates and runs your ads for you across all major platforms. The AI behind Sellvia Ads decides which products to promote, who to show them to, and how to get the best return on your budget. It even guarantees results up to 4 times return on ad spend. No setup stress, no experience required. If you want quick results, this is where to begin. Advertising gets people in the door fast, but what about long-term growth? That's where SEO shines. You want your store to show up when people search for products like yours. And for that, you need strong content and strong backlinks. Sellvia has a full content team ready to create SEO-optimized blog posts for your store. Plus, the Google SEO Backlinks tool gives you a curated list of trusted platforms like Yelp, Bing, LinkedIn, and Google, and a step-by-step guide to posting your backlinks. More authority, higher rankings, and a steady flow of free traffic over time. And now let's talk about staying in touch. Email marketing is one of the best ways to make money online because it helps you turn first-time buyers into repeat customers. Sellvia email marketing tool gives you high-converting templates, ready-to-launch campaigns, and a powerful automation. Welcome emails, product tips, promo blasts. Use these awesome ready-to-go emails for your promo campaigns and watch them convert like crazy. And all done for you, just activate and go. And of course, there's social media. Posting on a regular basis helps you build a brand, engage with your audience, and create that scroll-stopping presence. But what if you don't have time to post every day? Sellvia's social media marketing tool gives you ready-made content you can use on Instagram, TikTok, and beyond. Now you need something stronger. Check out Sellvia's influencer post packages, custom promo posts made by the biggest names on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. And you can also get access to your own TikTok and Instagram storefronts to boost visibility even more. Here's the truth. Every method I just mentioned actually works, but they work best when they are working together. That's why you need a system, not bits and pieces, not jumping between platforms, a real structured approach that builds momentum and keeps your store moving forward. So if you are ready to stop guessing and start growing, I've got something just for you. The must-have package. It includes everything you need to promote your store, attract customers, and make real money online. And all in one place, all built to work together. Click the link in the description to explore what's inside, and let's get started. Now, let's sum it up. The best ways to make money online with your Sellvia store. Advertising that brings in fast traffic. SEO that gives you long-term growth, emails that drive repeat purchases, social content and influencer reach that builds trust and sales. And the easiest way to put it all together is with Sellvia must-have package. It's built to save you time, bring in more customers, and help you grow the business. Click below to check it out. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because more game-changing tips are coming your way And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.